Order here today because the weather situation is so pressing right now. You can see our camera right now being covered with ice and snow. Star, the roads looking very similarly right now.
And freezing rain is going to continue to be a problem through the next couple of hours. That means icing on the roads, on the sidewalks, driveways going to be really slick. So extra cautious if you are about to head out the door. Also preparing for the potential for some of these trees, potentially power lines to be covered in ice. That could cause problems later in the afternoon. 12:13 right now. I want to take you straight over to Zionsville, where you can see we did have a little bit of that sleet falling across Boone County. Now we're watching as that does continue to transition into some light snow. Now downtown, we're right on that line, mixing on over from those flurries into that wintry mix. And we will continue to see icing on the roads downtown for the next couple of hours. Potentially very slick here heading into when the kids come home from school and then the evening rush hour. But right now, this snow continuing to lift up I-65 up toward Kokomo. Marion, you're about to see the first couple of flakes flying out by you. South side has been back and forth with this over the last couple of hours. Martinsville right now getting in on mainly that snow. Same thing for Mooresville, but Bloomington right on that edge. So if you look out your window there, you're seeing the snowflakes. They won't last very long. Next comes the icing. Now, as for any of the snow accumulations, we are expecting this to stay minimal. The shoveling snow is going to stay closer to the Chicagoland area. We could get a little bit of a coating. Some of us already on our way to that, but it's not looking like any of us are going to breach that 1-inch snow mark. As for the rain, we are going to have continuing rain into this evening, and then tomorrow a couple more spotty showers. It's not going to amount to very much. We're looking at about 1/10 of an inch. I think some of these models have been pulling up to about 1/4 inch of rain, so not a whole lot, but because this is going to be icing, just the tiniest bit of that ice can be really difficult on the roads. Future View does continue to put this wintry mix right over central Indiana for the next 2 to 3 hours, and then it will get a little bit more broken here as we head into the evening rush hour. Still anticipating difficult conditions though, and then overnight we get this next round of the wintry mix, once again right along that freezing line, so we'll have a little bit of both. Once we get to first thing in the morning, though, that's going to lift on out of here. 5 a.m. Most of that's already done, and we'll have a dry and quiet morning on Tuesday. After lunchtime, though, we are expecting a couple more pops of some moisture. This is showing up as snow on this model, but I will say for the most part, we've been seeing this hitting the ground as rain for Tuesday. So we could leave in a little chance for a mix, but mainly we're just expecting a couple of scattered rain showers. Again, not going to amount to very much. This is our live camera view. Hardly looks like anything at all with the low clouds moving in, and of course, the icing really taking over in the city. 31 degrees right now. It is a cold afternoon. Of course, it's January, and we are looking at those icing conditions. If you do not have to go anywhere, I really would just stay home. Really difficult and dangerous on the roads, and we are going to be concerned about that for a couple more hours. 34 right now in Shelbyville, 32 Connorsville, 32 in Columbus, and 31 right now in Greencastle. We still have that breeze. It's out of the northeast, so we will continue to have a wind chill factor today. It's going to feel like the 20s for the rest of the afternoon. In case you're counting along with me, as we look out the window at all of this icing, 53 days left until spring. Tonight, we will drop down to a low right around 33, so really going to get windy on top of that, and then tomorrow just not looking much better. Here's a look at that weekly planner. We will continue to have highs in the mid to low 30s the next couple of days. Thursday night into Friday morning, it'll get cold. Low temperatures drop into about 18 degrees, Nick.
All right, Star, 53.